right, Gary, we're going to take a little hot lap here in our 1970 911T, but it's not really T anymore, is it?
Well, it's a little updated.
Yeah, a little bit kind of like an R or an RS or a Carrera 3.0. So this has got updated bumpers and flares. So it's kind of got the 77 3.0 Carrera look. It's got the Carrera script, fiberglass deck lid, and a lot of performance suspension upgrades. So it's got you know, bump steer kit up front. It's got a strut race bar, adjustable strut race bar. Also has some solid mounts in the back. Healthy little 3-liter with a stainless exhaust with dual exits. So it's kind of like a little weekend track car or a weekend canyon runner, you know. It's smog exempt in California because it's a 1970.
Oh yeah.
Probably the best thing, huh?
Got the 915 tranny. Shifts really good. It's got the short shift kit.
Yeah, it's real nice. And of course, you know, the racers always used to put their gauges like that so you could see where the red line was easier.
Yeah, who cares?
They tilt them.
Line.
We can tilt them back if you want. Nice, huh?
Oh yeah.
It's a little loud, but if it's too loud, you're too old, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah, you can get quieter mufflers if you really want to.
Oh yeah.
That sounds good.
It's a nice setup if you want to go join the Porsche Owners Club or Porsche Club of America. They got some weekend events out at Willow Springs locally here, but I'm sure they have stuff across the United States.
Everywhere.
And in Europe. Sweet little car, man. Well, we're going to come up here and take some more pictures and some more video for you.
Hey, how much do I get if I hit those guys?
Not enough.
Ah.
All right, here's a fun one. You don't see them like this too often. Everybody's all hung up on how original they need to be because they bring all this money. But this is a fun little weekend track car. 1970 911T Targa. Tricked out, little upgraded to look like a 76 Carrera 3.0. It does have a 3-liter motor in it. It's got a 3.0 81, I believe, SC motor that's been freshened up, and it runs fantastic. It's got the dual exit stainless exhaust under there. A lot of little goodies under here. That's it's got adjustable sway bars. It's got the strut race bar up front. It's got drilled rotors up front with new calipers. Bump steer kit, slightly lowered. Adjustable swing plates in the rear. Solid motor mounts. All the stuff that the Porsche guys that want to go around corners fast do. Got the chin spoiler up front as well. H4 headlights, so you can see actually where you're going at night. You know, the paint's pretty nice on it. It's shiny and black. You know, it's an older paint job. It's got a few nicks and chips here, but it won't freak you out so much if you end up doing some weekend track events with the Porsche Club. But it's nice here in California. It's smog exempt. You don't have to worry about passing an emissions test. Probably pass anyway because it runs nice and clean. Sounds real good. It's got the fiberglass deck lid there with the tail. Holds you down at high speeds. Also has a Carrera oil cooler up there in the front fender. You can see those lines going along the bottom. That really helps the SC motor stay nice and cool. 16 6 and 7 inch Fuchs alloys on there. We show the interior. Interior is pretty cool. A little sparse and basic. You know, some black seats. Nice condition, no rips or tears. The dash is in good condition as well. No radio, because who needs a radio when you're carving corners? It's got RS door panels with a pull strap. Back seat, kind of delete. The bases are there, and if you have little ones, you could probably buy the uprights for the back. But they put a fire extinguisher in there, just in case. Got the nice steering wheel too, Momo steering wheel. Really cool. Looks great with that Carrera script along the side too. Gives us that vintage, classic Carrera look. All right, here's that powerful 3-liter power plant in the 1979 11. You know, CIS injection, pretty basic little motors, man. Air and oil cooled. This one's got the oil cooler, like I mentioned earlier, to keep it nice and cool if you're pushing it a little bit. But nice part is no smog pump, no air conditioning, nothing to hold this baby back on the power. We're going to go ahead and fire it up for you. Got a nice little rumble to it. Nice dual exhaust, nice and smooth. Woohoo! cool, man. This is a fun car. You're welcome to come out and see it in person. We're in Simi Valley at 2158 Union Place, Simi Valley, California. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. You can speak to myself, Rich, or Gary, who's in there revving up the motor. All right, catch you later. Thanks for watching.